I just got in this new eyeshadow palette from Olive Young, and oh my God, it's so good. I just put on my wash of color and I had to get on and record for you. It's Clio Pro Eye Palette Air in pink pairing, right? Those colors are gorgeous. So this, the third one in, is what I just put on. I'm using my new Morphe brushes. Let me show you. Look at that. Look at how easy that blends. Is it the brush? Is it the eyeshadow? Is it both? Look at that. Oh. But wait, there's more. So I'm gonna go with a smaller brush, and I'm gonna go with a little deeper of a color. Maybe this one right here, and the end is pretty deeper. Now the one thing with the kbeauty is the colors are a lot softer, which I do like. I'm in a softer mood today from my makeup. So we're gonna back and forth and come up, right? Hooded eyes, it does get in and hide. And then we could do circles, go back and forth, flick. See how that gives some dimension and all? So that's what we're working on. So this is how I often will do it. I'll work one, work the other, work one, work the other. Now, like, this is too much, right? So we go back to that initial blending brush that has that lighter shade on it, and we just buff it out. Twirl, twirl, twirl. And like, it didn't take it all, so what I can do is clean it a little bit, pick up that initial shade, and go in and go over it. See how this does. Looks better. And then I'm gonna go a little darker on the other side. Blending is really the key whenever you're doing eyeshadow. You wanna do that. So right here, notice I left it, so I can come in with a little pencil brush and pick up something lighter. So I'm gonna pick up this bottom one and tap, and I'm gonna add some of that up here as a highlight. I haven't done my brows yet. This is what I'm born with. I'm also gonna use that same color, tap it for inner corner, and that first about third and come up, right? It does have this sparkle. I cannot wait to try this sparkle. And I'm gonna use this brush and pick up some of that sparkle. A little tap off. This is the first time I'm using this palette. Oh wow, I love it. This looks amazing. Look at that. And then I'm gonna go back to the pencil one, and I'm gonna do out here. And what I'm gonna do is a little bit of that and just a little touch of that one. And I just get rid of the crinkles by pulling down. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Okay. One more thing I wanna do is I'm gonna use, this came with it. This is for eyebrows. And since I didn't do my brows yet today, I'm gonna take these two, maybe this one too. Maybe it'll be a little combo of the three. We'll start with the lightest though. We're gonna start with the lightest here. Tap it off, and then notice where we start. We start around the arch. And because they're my brows, I know my proportions for them, so I don't always measure it. If you're not comfortable doing it, you wanna measure it, you go up from your nose. That's the start. Across, see nose and eye, that'll be the end, and through your pupil is the arch. So I just redid. A lot of people want to start with the front of your eyebrow. You don't want to start with the front of your eyebrow because it'll look weird. All right, so we're gonna see, so you can use eyeshadow for this. Is that too far over it? Let's check. Not really, that works. So just with the two, okay? So like, look, it's more defined, but it's not super heavy. And I can come down and do the bottom You don't want to just do the top. And then the other side has this for brow hair, so we can kind of brush it out a little bit and see. That works for me. I'm going to do the other eye. Brows are done. I'm going to put some Clio brow gel on them just to kind of hold them in place and do my eyeliner. Is this last brush? Yay, Ulta. And I'm going to do my eyeliner. And what I'm going to use is this darkest one right here. I'm going to pick it up, tap it off, lift, and smudge. Okay. Pick up a little bit more and do the bottom. But when I do the bottom, I only do the outer, what's that, maybe outer third? I don't do the whole way in because that closes my eyes. So just doing this outer corner biggens my eyes, and I want my eyes to look bigger, right? I'm gonna look like an anime. They have huge eyes, right? So there we go. Now I can look at this and say, let's add a little bit more here, but that makes me tear up, so I don't do too much there, okay? So I'm gonna do that to the other eye. Eyeliner is done, brows are done, mascara is next. Mascara. This is a good look, I really like it. Here we are, makeup is all done. I really like that eyeshadow. I cannot wait to see how it lasts. But here's today.